Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming basics, but act fast. Make sure airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi is on in Control Center. Next, restart your iPhone, hold volume and side button, slide to power off, then power it on. Simultaneously power cycle the router by unplugging for 10 seconds and plugging back in. This clears transient router issues. Once done, check whether other devices connect. If they do, the problem is isolated to your iPhone, so continue to targeted settings adjustments. Now fix configuration mismatches. Forget the network in settings and rejoin so the password and handshake start fresh. Then open the network info and tap Renew Lease to get a new IP address. Verify IP and DNS look valid for your router. Temporarily disable VPN and test connecting to both 4 GHz and 5 GHz bands because range and compatibility differ. Also check the router's MAC filtering or parental controls. If enabled, add your iPhone's Wi-Fi MAC address to allowed devices. If problems persist, install any pending iOS update because software fixes networking bugs. Next, reset network settings to clear corrupted configs. Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset network settings. This erases saved Wi-Fi and returns network stacks to defaults, so make sure you know passwords. After the reset, reconnect to your network. If the issue remains, try a known good Wi-Fi hotspot to confirm hardware. If still failing, contact your ISP for router diagnostics or Apple support for possible hardware service. This is the key escalation tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.